Natural stone is my preferred medium, and I love to combine stone with other natural elements like light and water to create tactile art installations. The transition from a honed, flat surface to a more raw, natural texture is abrupt and it's very clearly defined. And this clear transition of form makes these surfaces very sculptural. The crescent and the eclipse are available in two timeless colors, the white and the black, both beautiful. We've chosen material which has natural vein, natural formation, which makes it look absolutely phenomenal. For fade, the transition is more gradual. The entire collection is designed for texture and dimensionality. Nothing else has the versatility, the colors, the ability to sculpt, texturize like natural stone does.